welcome back to another video. Like I mentioned in the last video, I was going to repair the mechanic. I have issues, starting issues with this tractor. Once it's running it's fine, but yeah, loads of problems. So I suspect the problem is there's a filter in this pump here. So I'm just going to take it off and clean it. Oh, I can do it without crushing my fingers. I'm going to turn that pipe up like that so I don't take makes it easier to bleed. Open that with a big spanner. You need a 27mm spanner. The filter should be in this. I don't think it's the problems in the main filters. So the problem wasn't actually what I thought it was. In here you got a little filter and usually dirt collects in there. But unfortunately it looks like it's actually could be this filter. It's actually on the main line that's causing the trouble. So we'll put all this back together. This is unless I've got another fuel leak somewhere. So I'll put that back together. Very simple. Pipe back in. Leave the air out. That's okay, so this morning I tried to sort out the fuel issues with the mechanic. I won't know till tomorrow if it's worked, but there wasn't any dirt in that filter, as you saw from the video. So I'm going to have to wait now for an inline filter. It's basically a little filter that you probably saw in the video on the line itself. The two main filters have been changed, so I don't see them an issue. So I suppose you may be wondering, why didn't I service the 165 while I had the chance? Bottom line is, the 165 is coming up to 50 hours since having the engine overhauled, and with the Perkins A4212s and probably the other engines that these 165s have, you need to retighten the cylinder head bolts and check the valve clearances after 50 hours. Found that the cylinder head bolts are prone to loosening after the first 50 hours. After that, the engine should be fine. There doesn't seem to be much wrong with it now, so fingers crossed. So yeah, when I do that 50-hour service, I will show you how it's done. One of the reasons why I'm using this 165 now and leaving the engine running here is because the rocker cover, I'll show you on the engine, the other side's less cluttered, so I'll show you. So the rocker cover there, these here, is underneath the fuel tank, which is this here. That wasn't clear enough over the sound of the engine. The rocker cover I was pointing at is below the fuel tank. To get to the cylinder head bolts and the tappets, I'm going to have to take the fuel tank off and the rocker cover, as well as the cowling on the front. So it's a major job. The other issue with this tractor is the clutch needs attention as well, but I'm not doing the clutch. I haven't got the facilities at home to do it. I can do it. I've got the mechanical knowledge to do it, but I just haven't got the facilities. So between in the springtime sometime, when I get a bit of downtime, I'll take the tractor to the local garage, local agricultural engineers, and they can do the clutch for me. Apart from that, this tractor's otherwise mechanically sound. And another great way of telling that the engine Just how well the engine's running, and there's no smoke at all. There's literally no smoke coming out of that. So yeah, means everything's sealed properly. And the fact is that this one doesn't use any oil either. So I'll leave it running there for a bit.